TW Series Online Inkjet Printer Basic Printing Operation Tutorial Video. The distance between the nozzle and the product is generally within 5 mm. The distance between 2 mm and 3 mm is the best for printing.
The sensor can be placed closer to the nozzle, but it must sense the product. The light on the sensor means it's sensing. Take out a hex wrench. Loosen this screw to adjust the nozzle height. Loosen this screw to adjust the front and back of the nozzle. Take out the cartridge. Insert the cartridge into the nozzle slot. Note that when the ink cartridge does not go in or the buckle cannot be closed, do not use brute force. Added good content. Hit print. Click print set. If you use sensors for spray printing, must open the photoelectricity. After the photoelectric phase is started, the product is sprayed after the sensor is sensed, and it is rarely used. Sensor shielding distance is a setting for how much time to shielding the next product after printing it. The print interval is used with consecutive times to set the distance of continuous printing. Delay sets the amount of time after the sensor senses the product before printing. Set the delay value to see the print effect. Click Start Printing to start the assembly line for printing. Turn the delay up a bit and compare it to the print. Turn on reverse to print the mirror effect. Turn on upside to print an upside down effect. Can see that the larger the value of the printing position is further back. Consecutive times. Set the number of times the sensor can print as long as it senses once.
Set the sensor to print 3 times at a time.
Set the delay to avoid overlapping effects. It was only detected once and printed 3 times. Set the print interval again to see what it looks like. You can see that the intervals between successive prints are widening. Let me show you how the normal printing settings are set. The printing direction interface can be set up according to the product demand. The photoelectric setting page is the most commonly used one, which is also set according to the product requirement. The continuous printing page is to set the encoder to print continuously. If you don't use the encoder, you don't need to set it. The control page is set according to the encoder use. Do not use the encoder. You cannot set. Printer page usually does not need to be set. If it is to be set, it should also be set under the guidance of the manufacturer. Turn off the machine and remove the cartridge. Others just like in the video settings page.